Is your WhatsApp profile picture looking outdated? Updating it takes just a few taps. Follow these simple steps to replace your old photo with a new one and keep your profile looking fresh and current. To update your profile picture, start by opening WhatsApp on your phone. Tap the three dots located in the top right corner of the screen, then select Settings from the menu. At the top of the settings page, tap your current profile picture or the blank profile icon if you do not have a photo set. Next, tap the camera or edit icon that appears on your profile photo. WhatsApp will give you several options. You can choose Take Photo to capture a new picture using your phone's camera, choose Photo to select an existing image from your gallery, or create and use a personalized avatar if you prefer a more creative profile image. After selecting your preferred picture, adjust and crop the image to fit properly within the profile picture frame. Make sure the most important part of the photo is centered and clearly visible. Once you are satisfied with the preview, tap Done or Save to apply the changes. WhatsApp will automatically replace your old profile picture with the new one you selected. The updated image will then be visible to your contacts based on your privacy settings. Updating your profile photo regularly can help keep your account looking fresh, professional, and up to date, making it easier for people to identify and connect with you on WhatsApp. That's it. Your WhatsApp profile picture is now updated and ready for your contacts to see. Keep your profile fresh by changing it whenever needed.